Hello guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa, herzlich willkommen. So my friends, we need to do here an urgent update for SMCI Super Microcomputer since we had here a volatile price action during the earning reports. I already mentioned that in my previous video that we could see some volatility, but guys, everything is based here on the algos, on the technicals, and also my videos here are not financial advice. This is everything based on the chart. I just want to show you how ridiculous some news are here. I know it's in German language, but they say, SMCI goes up because they may execute the delayed earning report, yearly report. Guys, I mean, what can I say? So let's talk about the chart. I just want to show you that I never read the news. I just focus on the technicals, and that was so predictable what is happening right now. And I will also show you in this video how still my technicals are here in play for SMCI, as I mentioned, not financial advice. Before we dive in, guys, I want to show you really quick here my other short squeeze plays. I had here a massive short squeeze here at the 10th of February, 709% squeeze. So this is what I usually do here on my channel. I try to predict short squeezes. This is one of my missions. This ticker here, that was one of my Patreon swing trade alerts, squeezed 709% here, 10th of February, and just a few days before we also had a 797% short squeeze here. You can see this ticker was, my Patreon alert was here, then we traded sideways, 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 boring, boring. Everybody said, we don't squeeze, and then sayonara, guys, 797%. So sometimes you just need some patience, and also SMCI is a very nice squeeze play. I just released today a brand new video with also a hot stock which has 800% short squeeze potential. So check out this content on Patreon, guys, if you want. You can of course join in here our trading community. The full package membership on Patreon is the most popular membership which I have, where every day new people joining in, you get a lot of benefits here. And if you also want to join in, please click here the info icon, the info card in the corner, to get access to the Patreon member link. So guys, let's dive into the chart. I think I start with my drawings because honestly we don't need indicators. As soon as you spotted here some trading patterns, then you will see that everything is based on technicals here. So that looks beautiful in the daily chart, right? We just have support here on this algo support trend line, and then we start to bounce. So we have here a very, very bullish support over the years. This is the macro, let's call it macro support for SMCI. So that might be, guys, that the bottom here is already in $17.25. That was maybe the bottom here. We are still not out of this trend channel pattern. That's why I don't want to talk about a bullish reversal. But if you didn't see or haven't seen my previous videos, guys, I am very bullish on SMCI. I expect here a breakout to happen and see much higher price levels. This is, as I said, just my opinion here based on the chart. Please make your own due diligence. So that looks like very uninteresting here, or very unusual, or nothing special here, that we have here just a usual price action. But unusual is, guys, when we switch now here to the 4 hours chart and check what happened in between when the earning report has been announced. I said in my previous video that this line here, guys, we have here a normal trend channel pattern. If you don't know how these patterns work, guys, this is a trend channel pattern. The top line here acts as a resistance, the bottom line acts as a support. Yes, if you see here some fake outs, that usually ends up in a short squeeze or in a algo squeeze. And then we have this stitched trend line here. I don't know how to say that, perforiert in German. This trend line here, I marked it now here with the orange line, is acting also as a resistance or support. We know that we got rejected here back in, let me zoom in for you guys here. We had a breakout attempt here back in December, got rejected. Here a retest in January 25, and now, guys, here a successful breakout in February this year. And now we zoom in the 4 hours chart, and then you will see what surprisingly happened, guys. Yo, guys, this is what the market makers do. We can see that SMCI, as soon as the earnings got announced, we had here a price drop of 28%. Maybe some of you got scared by that. As I said, for me, I have no idea what they talked in their earning report or whatsoever has been announced here. I just focus on the technicals, and I know, and I said that already before, that we now have here a very strong support in the $26-27 range on this trend line. And if you don't believe that everything is based on algos, just look at this, that we had a perfect retest of the trend line here, where the support or the breakout already has been has been executed here. There has been a reason why we came down like that, because we also had here in the 4 hours, sorry guys, wrong zoom. So here we are. We had here an open gap in the 4 hours chart. Here you can see this gap has to get filled, and the purpose of this price drop was not to only to retest the previous support price level, also to close this open gap here at 36.49 in the 4 hours chart. That is done, guys. So, and you can see also here in the extended hours, we already came over $44.05. Why is this so an important price range, guys? Because we have one open gap here waiting. Hasn't been filled yet in the daily chart, which means we also need to see a daily candle at least back to $44. Then we will, in my opinion, retest here this top trend line. That doesn't have to happen here in one move. We can just close the gap, see a rejection, and then maybe later retest this trend line. I already mentioned here my price goals for SMCI are here between $44 and $51. This is what I expect will happen, and we also have here one algo landing zone waiting here at $57. If we break out of this white trend line here, guys, then it could be very, very interesting for SMCI, because that could mean we start to see here finally a bullish reversal or even a short squeeze. By the way, guys, you have here a lot of information in the chart, not only the up and down gaps marked here by all the orange lines and the green lines, also the trend line pattern here is visible in my chart. If you want to copy everything what you see here, this is based on TradingView. You can get that program for yourself if you want, and I highly recommend that. If you really want to change your life, guys, learn trading, maybe become an independent trader, you need to build up some knowledge and you need a good chart tool. That's why I recommend TradingView, guys. You can use here, of course, my $15 discount link on the premium tier if you want to get TradingView for yourself, guys. Please click here the info card in the corner to get this special discount link. It's very stormy here in Japan. I hope it's not too disturbing here while I'm recording the video. So let's make it quick and dirty, guys. This is what I expect here for SMCI, that we maybe retest here the $50 range. It's also possible that we close here the gap at $51 and then see a rejection. Based on the technicals right now, I don't expect that we just start to, you know, break out here and just squeeze. I think we need some drama. I think we need to see something like that. Maybe we retest here $50 here, this range, guys. Come back down one more time. Start to close here the open gaps in the daily chart, guys. And then what I honestly want to see is that we come back down one more time to this trend channel line here, which is now waiting here between $27, $28. Every price below that, guys, is even a more welcome dip for me. Not a dip, guys, for me. Yeah, forget what I said, guys. That was a mistake. And of course, you know, this is my strategy, how I trade the stock. And yeah, being that said, guys, this is my update here for you on SMCI. I will, of course, keep you updated here. And I wish you nothing but the best here with this ticker and all the other stocks. And as I said, guys, if you don't want to miss my other short squeeze plays here, please check out here my content on Patreon. Guys, thank you for watching this video. All the best and see you in the next one. Arigato gozaimasu. Vielen Dank. Alles Gute und bis zum nächsten Video. And don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, if you don't want to miss any updates. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.